that's a beauty. Look at the size of that one. Oh, yeah. Good morning and welcome to Walks with Moss. Today we have something special planned. We're going to do a razor clam catch, clean, and cook. It's dark 30 in the morning, and we have a long drive to get to the ocean beach to get there for low tide. So come along on our adventure and I'll show you how to dig a razor clam with a shovel. Okay, Bella and I are in the car now. Everything's packed up and we're headed to the ocean. We'll be there in about an hour and 45 minutes in time to hit the low tide. Right now it's 10 minutes to 7 and I am not a morning person, but I love digging razor clams so much that I'll get up for this. So, I'll see you again when we get to the ocean. Well, hello, we have made it to the ocean and the sun is starting to come up. It's about 6:30 and we're going to get some razor clams now. I'm letting Bella run around while I get dressed, and then after that she's going to wait in the car while I dig clams. Then she can run around some more later. There's a fair amount of people out here for a weekday in the wind, a little bit rainy. It's supposed to be 8-foot swells today, and I dig in the surf with a shovel, so I'm gonna have to be careful. I'm gonna have to pay attention. Okay, all dressed up, ready to get some razor clams. Bella will go in the car until I'm done. Let's go get some razor clams. Most people have clam guns. There's a few with shovels though. So I'm going to strap this to my head and start clam digging, and it's all going to be from my headband today. I hope it turns out okay. Found my first clam show, and here we go. I feel it. Here it comes. Clam number one. Woohoo! Razor clam. Yeah. Put that in my little bag there. And here we go. 19 more to go. There's another show. Oh yeah. 2 for 2. Here comes a clam. Look at the size of that one. Oh yeah. That's 2. Yeah. Here comes a wave, but let's see if we can get one anyway. Yeah, there's a show right there. Oh shoot. I felt something crunching, but it won't be the clam I'm going for. Oh good, it was just a sand dollar in the hole. Here you go. Number 3. Woohoo! Yay! Let's see if we can get another one. There's a lot of them right here. Just got to watch for those shows. Okay, another little break in the waves. Let's see if we can thump up another clam. Oh, there's a show right there. It doesn't look like a real big one, but I'm going to go for it anyway. Here we go. Oh, it feels decent size actually. Oh shoot, it's fighting. And here comes the water. Ooh, am I gonna get it out before the water comes? Yeah, just barely. There we go. Beautiful, delicious razor clam. Woohoo! Can we get another one on this set of waves? Let's see. There we go. That looks like a big show. Let's see. Oh, I might have nicked it with my shovel. Maybe not. I'm not sure. I might have taken its neck off. Yeah. Does it still got its neck? Oh, it does. It just sucked it in. All right. This is some good clam digging today. I think there might be one right there. Yep, there is. Let's try for it. Yep. Oh, wow. That one was really shallow. Really lucky I didn't break this one. Oh! Here we go. Woohoo! All right. There it is. That's 5. Woohoo! There's one. Just got to stick it straight in, pull it forward, put your hand behind, and there's a clam. Just like that. Hardly any work. There we go. There we go. 10. Oftentimes the limit is 15, but the limit's been raised to 20 just recently. Oh, there's another one. Here we go. Here comes the water. Woohoo! 11. Bigger clams tend to make bigger shows, so I'm going to try to ignore the little shows now. There we go. I'd call this a medium-sized show. We'll see what size clam comes out of it. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't feel like a big one. There's 14. Water's coming, so we'll wait, but there is one right there. Yeah, I'll go for it just in case. It's going to be very ginger because it felt quite shallow. Pretty sure I saw one here anyway. Yeah, I felt it. There we go. There we go. I think that's 15. So I'm going to go up and count now to make sure. Maybe put these in the car too, because they're getting heavy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's a good thing I counted. Okay, we can have 2 more clams before we're at our limit of 20. And I'm going to let Bella come out and play. There's not very many diggers, not much traffic, and the digging is really good. And we only have 2 clams to go. This will be a good test for Bella. We'll see what kind of clam digging dog she is. Let's go get some clams. Okay, let's go get our last 2. And let's make them be big ones. Oh, that looks like a big show there. Let's get it. Well, how big is it? It feels medium size. Okay, it sure looks big. Oh well. All right, now for my next clam. Ooh, there's a oh, that looks like a big show right there. Okay, let's go. There are so many here. Hey, where'd you go, clam? That one got scared out before I could get it. Oh my gosh, if I don't get this one, oh no, I'm gonna get it. If I don't get this, if I didn't get this, this will be the first one all day I didn't get. But I got it. And that's a good one to finish up on. Real good one to finish up on. All right. Woohoo! 20 fat, juicy razor clams. Woohoo! They are all laid out on the sand. 20 fat razor clams. Now we've got to clean them and cook them. But first, I've got some chores I need to do in ocean shores. So, after I get my chores done, then we'll come back to the beach and clean and cook some of these. Bella is so happy. She loves the beach so much. Time to get out of these hip waders now. Come on, Bella. Come on. Go on, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Go play. Go play.
I have a dog biscuit. Can I give it to her?
Sure, sure. When you dig with a clam gun, you dig up higher on the beach and you go a lot deeper. All these holes are for people with clam guns. But when you have a shovel, you go down in the surf.
I make you famous.
You're gonna be a star, Bella.
Yeah, I've been a star before, man.
Yeah. Can I record you digging a clam?
Well, oh, you got him. You got him.
That one.
That's a big fat one too.
Yeah.
Much better than the one I
That's
had
a great
before.
one.
Which was this big.
Nice. It's great digging here today.
Yeah.
Yeah, that clamming of yours is a pretty good gun.
There he is. Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Nice big ones today.
That's a nice dig right there. I'd dig for a while.
There it is.
Bella, where are you going? Come on, help me. Come on, Bella. Bella.
Oh, there it is.
Bella, look. Bella, what's this? Go get it, Bella. What is that? She wants nothing to do with clams.
She
She
hasn't.
wants nothing to do with clams.
I haven't given her any clams yet. Maybe she'll change her mind after she's had some.
Oh, there's two huge ones right there. We gotta,
You're
oh,
in a
there's
good-
one right there, too.
You're in a good spot.
Holy cow.
Yeah. Oh, there's one right here too. It's bubbling. Someone was telling me your dog's gonna
There's
ruin
one?
the shows, and I'm like, not up in the dry sand. It doesn't matter if a dog's up in the dry sand. It's down in the surf that it matters. When you're digging with a shovel and you got to be fast.
Yeah. Do you do shovel or do you do
Yeah,
gun?
I shovel. So there you don't want a dog walking
Well,
on the
this
holes.
is like the new Claminator gun. I love this thing. It's like pulling up butter. Oh, I didn't get that one though.
Nah, my dad would disown me if I used a clam gun.
Oh, he would?
Yeah,
He's old fashioned.
yeah. It's really exciting with a shovel though, because it's a race when you have a shovel.
Oh, he's kind of a little guy. Yeah. Not too big. Okay. Now I got two more here. More.
Stuff. Oh yeah, there it is. That's a beauty.
Yeah, you can get 20 now, they said.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, all done. Really couldn't ask for a better day of clam digging than this. This was amazing. I got my limit in just nothing flat. It was great. Here's all my clams lined up in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now it's time to start cleaning them. So here's how I clean them, with scissors, quickly. I think it kills them quickly and is a little bit more humane than some of the other ways. So here's how I clean a clam. I like to kill it quickly instead of boiling it in water for a couple of reasons. I think this is maybe a little bit more humane to kill it quickly with scissors. And they taste better when they're killed with scissors. So I just take the point of my scissor and go in and make sure I cut the digger open, because that's where all the nerves are in a clam. And then after that, pull the clam out of the shell with a butter knife. It's real easy. Real fast. So for the next stage of cleaning, cut the neck all the way open, cut the tip off the neck, and then I pull the digger off. You can clean these whole, but I like to pull the digger off and eat the digger separately. So this part is the digger, and you want to clean all this stuff out of there. Since I'm right here on the beach, I can actually just put it on the ground and seagulls will come enjoy it later. Got some water here. Rinse it off. Get all the yucky stuff out of it. Anything that's not white, just take it out. And here we go. Here's one perfectly clean digger, and I'll just keep doing that until I have enough to eat. And then I'll probably clean the rest at home. Okay, all set up on the beach now, ready to cook up these razor clams. I've got this old stove. I haven't used it in a couple of years. My daughter kept it when I went to New Zealand and back. Hopefully it still works. We'll find out in a minute. Okay. Fingers crossed. Will this old stove light? Aha! It lit just fine. Yeah. All right. Okay, while my stove warms up, I'm going to start getting my clams ready. So I'm just going to eat the diggers. That's the tender part, the diggers. The necks are great too, but I like to smoke them or put them in clam chowder, so I'm just going to use the diggers. I'm going to start out by putting them in some flour that's got salt and pepper in it. Just picking out the diggers. Lots of nice diggers in here. So many clams. It's going to take me a while to eat all this. Nice diggers. That's probably going to be enough for me right there, for starters anyway. Alright, so shaking my diggers up in flour and salt and pepper. So here they are. For the next step, I've got some eggs here. I have to hold on to everything really tightly. The wind's howling. Got some eggs here. No, Bella, not for you. An egg in there. Get it beat up real good. After I dredge the clams and eggs, I'm going to dredge them in some panko breadcrumbs. Hope I can get this all to stay down. Here's my breadcrumbs. I think that'll be enough breadcrumbs. Gotta work faster. Everything's going to blow away and blow over. Okay, so here we go. Stove is warmed up. So next, my clams go in the egg. This probably isn't exactly the right way to do it, but I'm just going to do it this way. All of the egg at once. Okay. Breadcrumbs are going on there pretty nicely. Okay, it took some doing here in the wind, but the pan is finally hot enough and it's time for the razor clams to go in. Now at home I'd probably just put in one at a time so they could cook quicker, but since I'm cooking here in the wind and I'm really hungry, I'm just going to turn it up a bit and put them all in to fry. There we go. These are taking a little bit longer to cook than I would like, so they won't be quite as tender as I was hoping. But they're still going to be absolutely delicious, I know that. Okay, these are nicely browned. It's time to eat. Here we are, fresh razor clams. Time for a taste test. It's good. You know it's good. And they're not too tough because I am cooking just the diggers. It didn't matter that it took longer to fry than it should have. So I'm just going to sit here on the beach now with Bella and enjoy some razor clams and enjoy my afternoon. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Thank you. Until next time.